Pop it, turn it, do something else. It's pretty easy.
All I'm going to do is do my out, unscrew, pop that off, pop the new one in.
Is this a tutorial video?
This is going to be a tutorial.
You need to do some popping and some turning, people.
And I'm doing this slightly hungover.
Slightly.
Because Jess forced me out last night drinking.
Did not force you out.
I'm thinking, so I don't need to record this bit. On my brain thinking.
Do-do-do-do.
So, not only is Millie broke, but somebody's gone smashed in the back of my car as well. So today, it's not getting any better, is it? So this is a crew. This is the crew that's going to fit Millie.
Itchy and scratchy strike again.
Jess is there looking just beautiful, as always.
Absolutely.
Yeah, she's not going to get her hands dirty or anything like that. And me and Gary got to fix Millie. How hard can it be? Watch this. Got gloves on ready. Yeah. I'm passing tools to Gary, that's why I'm
Is this your job, yeah?
Oh, something's happening. That's lovely and clear, that. There's no dirt in there.
So do you think it's not that?
Well, I don't know. I mean, clean diesel doesn't. It's not always a sign of a dirty filter, is it? See, none of it's very old, is it?
No, that's what I mean. It's quite new, and that hasn't done that much mileage. But I just thought I'd eliminate another thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it looks okay inside it all. And again, that's unusual. The new one looks nothing like that. So I'm a bit concerned.
In what way?
It's longer.
And now,
What size?
that one, that size.
Yeah, that's really what it came with. Right.
And that's it. Right, that's got nice and solid. It should be. That's it.
So give it a go.
Solid again.
So we took it for a spin and no issue. So got a new fuel filter, but there was nothing wrong with the old fuel filter. We think it may be air starvation. So the next test is the fuel cap. Quite a few of you said that if it happens again, to open the fuel cap. So we'll take it for a further drive, maybe tomorrow on Sunday, because we've got things to do, and then we'll just run it for the day, and then I'm going to try the fuel cap thing. So there you go. Thanks to Gary for helping me swap the fuel filter out and having a bit of a giggle in the morning. We did do loads, but unfortunately we didn't record a huge amount because we were having too much fun. So I am a rubbish YouTuber and I apologise. But I'm kind of confident I'm going to take it for a good spin. Probably maybe a few hour drive just to get it properly worked over. Unfortunately we didn't have a lot of time. Gary needed to shoot off and I had other appointments. So we're not 100% sure we fixed Betty yet, but fingers crossed we're going to take it off for a spin on Bank Holiday Monday. Quick update for the rest of the channel. I've got some products that I've bought out my own pocket, which I'm reviewing quite aggressively at the moment. One of them being the EcoFlow River 2, which before I do any kind of reviews, like I do with every product I have on my channel, I bought with my own money, and I'm going to do it, test it within detail, etc. And also, you know, I'm not one of these YouTube channels that's open for briberies from any brands that want to pay me money. I mean, this is not, EcoFlow hasn't given me 15 grand to tell you how brilliant EcoFlow is. This is definitely not money from EcoFlow. I bought it all with my own, when I'm honest. It's before anybody robs me, it's fake cash. It's movie props. It's a movie prop for £50. I think it's 15k. And why not? I thought it made a funny photograph. Anyway, yes, thanks for Gary for helping me out. Thanks for Jess again for being awesome and helping making cups of tea, coffee, videoing, and generally just being a cool person. And also, top tip: you're gonna leave your fridge unplugged, then leave the door open. But more importantly, if you're going to plug your motorhome on mains and have your fridge running, close the fridge door. My electric bill is huge. For about 4 days, I've had the fridge door open because it was mouldy, but I had the fridge running, so chilled the hull of the motorhome and sent my electric bill through the roof. So there's a top tip for you. I'm hoping you're enjoying these videos. There's going to be a lot more videos of us going to places because Millie's fixed. So please subscribe, like, comment. It really helps the channel. It doesn't cost you a single penny to subscribe, but it does help me and it helps grow the channel and helps the videos that you're liking get a wider audience. Also share, tell your friends, etc. Really want to grow the channel this year. So thanks for your time. Thanks for your subscription. Thanks for your support. Let me know in comments below if any of my troubleshooting or any of my videos has helped you recently. And what would you like me to cover next about motorhoming? And then we can add that to our videos for this year. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, and catch you in the next video.